Hi, I am Shatrupa Pradhan, legal intern at LexClick. Today I'm going to discuss about the topic incorporation of company in India. Incorporation of company is a process of registering a company or incorporating a business. So there are various legal steps that are carried out for the incorporation of a company to obtain a separate legal entity. The company should be registered under the Register of Companies under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs that comes under Section 609 of Companies Act. The company is uh, termed as a private company if one or two people form a company. If more than seven people form a company, it is known as a public company. Once all the documents are filed under the Register of Companies, the pro- they get a certificate of incorporation which makes a company to come into existence. Next, we'll discuss about the various steps that are included for incorporating a business or a company. First is the application for approval of the title of the company. For a company to come into existence, the title is a must. The prompter should check the availability of the name on the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, and the name should reflect the nature and object of the company. The name of the company should not be offensive or prohibited to any individual of that matter. Once the application is submitted, the registrar is expected to receive it within the 14 days of application. After that, the prompter is supposed to register the company within 3 months, failing to which he has to apply again. The company name should end with limited in case of a public company and should end with private limited in case of a private company. Next is the preparation of memorandum of association. The preparation of memorandum of association reflects the object and scope of the company. It also describes its relation with the whole world, and the memorandum of association should be signed by one or two people in case of a private company and more and seven people in case of a public company. The stamping of the memorandum of association is a must. The next step is preparation of articles of association. After the memorandum, the company has to prepare an article of association which will reflect how the company will function internally. That is, the internal management of company should be reflected in this, and the various rules and regulation that is to be followed by the company in the whole time of its existence. There are other miscellaneous documents that are required for the incorporation. First, the consent of the directors that is filed with the Register of Companies. Next, the power of attorney is given to the advocate favors who will carry out all the process and formalities of registration. The copies of preliminary agreements, memorandum of association, and the articles of association is to be filed at the time of registration. The company should have a registered office and in its information should be filed with the Register of Companies within 13 days of commencement of registration or the business. The names of the directors and the appointment of the directors are to be done within 13 days of its registration. A statutory declaration is given that all the legal documents have been registered and compiled with with the register at the time of registration. The declaration must be signed by an advocate of Supreme Court or an attorney or a pleading advocate at High Court or a practicing chartered accountant. Next is the payment of fees. At the time of registration, for every filing and for filing of every individual documents, there is a separate fees, and all fees are to be paid at the registered office. The fees depends upon the share capital and the number of people who share the company. At last, when all the documents are submitted, followed by the payment of the fees that is required with the registrar of companies, a scrutiny is made. When all documents are found in order, then the registrar of companies issues a certificate of incorporation in the name of the company. The date mentioned on the certificate is the date of incorporation of the company. After incorporation, the company becomes a separate legal entity until the next perpetuation. The certificate of incorporation is a conclusive proof of the existence of the company. That's all for the steps of incorporation of company in India. Thank you.